I think Dreidel loves Mohegan. Mohegan is snuggling up. No, Dreidel is snuggling up to Mohegan and preening her. Aw. You love Mohegan, Dreidel. Huh? I think they're gonna be best friends. I really do. Aww. Oh, that's so sweet. Yeah, you're preening her. She was preening you in the beginning. Aw. Yeah, there's some millet for you. That's millet spray. Birdies love this stuff. And that's the easiest thing for a baby bird to eat when it hasn't eaten yet on its own. It's very easy for them to chew because the pieces are so teeny tiny and they're soft. Right? Baby Dreidel, you are looking gorgeous. More gorgeous every single day. I can't wait till all the feathers come out on your face. But they are just so adorable. I just wanted you to see them tonight. Right? Is that your friend, Dreidel? Is that your friend? And Sammy's happy now. Sammy's got Bob. He's not hangry anymore. Mohegan, you got a piece on your face. It's right by your eye. I swear I love Dreidel's coloring. It's like a green and yellow tie-dye, and there is blue in there on the back, a little blue. So it is so gorgeous. I want a shirt like that. I want a shirt your color. Yes. That would be so pretty. I'm only taking them out for a little bit because it is really late. I gotta put the baby back to bed, but the mother doesn't sleep with the baby anymore. She's trying to teach it to be on its own. So I figured let her come out and have a little company with little Mohegan. Hi Mohegan, hi Dreidel. Aw, is that your friend? Is that your friend? Aw. Oh my goodness, these two are just perfect. Perfect, perfect babies. Alright guys. Oh. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Alright guys, I gotta go finish putting everyone to bed. I just wanted you to get this little bit of cuteness before you close your eyes tonight. And night-night again.